Hello everyone. So in today's video, we are going to discuss how to create a plant in SAP. So a plant is basically either a manufacturing unit or a operational unit or a sales branch. It may be warehouse or a departmental store. So where all the manufacturing or sell and purchase will happen, that we call a plant. So let's see how to configure a plant. So to configure a plant, you need to first go to SPRO, then reference SAP reference IMG. So here you need to go to enterprise structure, then definition, then logistics general. So here the second option is define, copy, delete, check plant. So you need to click on this. So the first option is define plant. Second option is copy, delete and check plant. So first you need to go to copy, then you have to define. So first you need to go to the second option, double click on it. So here, as we have done in our company code creation, like that, you have to select this copy button. So here we are selecting T110. From T110 plant, we are copying the new plant T210. So here the tables are being copied. So a new plant has been copied from one existing plant. So this is our existing plant and we have created this new plant here. Here, this is our plant that we have configured before. If you are configuring the plant for the first time, you can take 1000 plant as a reference from where you can copy to your new plant. So here our copy thing has been done. Now we have to edit. So now we have to define the plant. Now double click on it. Here we have to find our plant. So it's T210. So here shows the plant Gurgaon. We have to change it to plant Tata Nagar. Here the plant name will be Tata Steel. Now we need to select this and click on this address button. Now here we just have to put the search term. Now the company is Tata Steel and the plant is Tata Nagar plant. Now here we put Tata Nagar Raj search term 1 and steel as search term 2. Then we can change this to Tata Nagar, and here the region we can change. So here there is no option for Jharkhand, so let's take West Bengal as the region. You can take anything as for your requirement. So now we are saving this. So the plant has been copied and defined, means we have defined the data as well as so we have copied the plant from one existing plant and we have changed the data as per our requirement. So here is how you can configure a plant in SAP MM. So if you want to see the whole organization structure configuration, then you can find the video in the I button. So that's for today. Thank you. Bye bye.